How to use HOA for your benefit. First of all, what is HOAs? Homeowner Association. So for those who don't know what homeowner associations are, they're basically a hyper municipality, well, not the same municipality, but a body of people who live in a certain area, whether it's a condominium or whether it's a subdivision or planned subdivision. And what they do is they have these guidelines that you must abide by. So for example, your grass can't be no more than 8 inches high. You can't have any abandoned cars. So for me, for people who are like me, who are from, the hood, we know about the famous car or truck or van that is probably 20 years old that's been sitting in front of somebody's house for, 10 to 15 years, and that person is never done anything with it, is probably never going to do anything with it. So this is actually one of the reasons why, and I apologize for the noise in the background for those who can hear it, but that's one of the reasons why you do have HOAs. I've heard great things and I've heard horror stories about it. So let's jump right into it. How can you use HOAs for your benefit? I have 3 really good reasons. 1, reduce the responsibility of maintenance. So even though you're pretty much responsible for your home, like the grass and outer appearance, most times HOAs have, pressure washing, sidewalks that goes in front. If new technology is coming into the area like Google and stuff like that, fiber optics, they pay for it. You have new utility like, AT&T or something like that comes in. Pothole maintenance usually is incurred in that instead of just being with the city. Another thing I would say is amenities and security. A lot of HOAs provide swimming pools or a clubhouse. So say for instance, you have a condominium and let's say it's a 1,500 square foot, but let's say you want to have a birthday party of like 20 or 30 people, which if guys are watching this and it's middle of COVID-19, you're not supposed to have that many people, or it's some number, it changes daily. You have a clubhouse you can use, and that factors into HOA fees and the maintenance of that clubhouse, or a swimming pool, jacuzzi, fitness center, stuff like that. So that takes down the cost of you having to get a treadmill or a bike or trying to get a pool or maintain a pool. And for those who have a pool, know that maintenance could be a lot. Third thing I would say is, if you have a HOA, give you a uniform look of the community. So, for instance, you can, you go to some neighborhoods that have, very large houses, and then next house might be something like a garden home and things of that sort. With these planned communities, they have a structure to this. And if anybody knows anything about buying real estate, your value of your property based on your comps of the area. Okay. So now I talked about just a few benefits of why it's good to have a HOA. Here's some of the trade-offs. HOAs, depending on where you are, can be very, very costly. What I mean by that is, they can range anywhere from like $200 a month to, like $8,000 a month, depending on, your budget, and what area of the world you want to live in. Once again, that amount of money is supposed to be something that is supposed to take care of maintenance, that you don't have to worry about a city to come in and come to correct the pothole, or if you live in a condominium, the elevator, let's say security guys, maintenance man, things of that sort. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. Next thing is that another trade-off is little to no ability to have your taste on the outside of your home. So HOAs are pretty, homeowner associations are really pretty specific, not specific, but specific about what you put on your home. So you gotta think about this during holiday season, things of that sort. I know people who go all out on their Halloween decoration, go all out on their Christmas. And so most HOAs will allow you to do something, but they put a cap on it, but also you can't keep them out there forever. I don't know if you guys have those neighbors who might put up a Christmas tree after Thanksgiving, right, and don't take it out until February, right? So obviously that's inside your home, but let's say it's outside your home. The third trade-off is force you to keep in line with specific codes. Like I said, your grass can't be so high, and you get fined. You automatically fined. Another trade-off I would say is that HOA is typically financed into your mortgage, just like your property taxes. And if you delinquent on that, they can actually, some HOAs have it where they can foreclose on your property. So don't take this HOA lightly. It is definitely supposed to be in your favor. If you are default on your HOAs, don't hesitate to call your HOA representative. Schedule a payment plan. Get caught up, especially with COVID-19. A lot of financial and lending institutions are being a lot more lenient, primarily because if they lose you as a customer or client, guess what? Probably not gonna have anybody replace you. So if you just do your due diligence to stay up on front end of things, so just communicate with them, let them know what's going on, I guarantee they kind of let you. They will bend the rules for you to make sure you get caught up on your payments, and also if you have a history with these institutions. So just to recap, HOAs are supposed to be for your benefit, reduce responsibility of maintenance, amenities, and security. Obviously they have a lot of HOAs provide security officers that patrol the area overnight. Gives you a uniform look at the community. You don't have to worry about your next door neighbor leaving a car out there that doesn't run for 20 years. Trade-off can be a little costly, be a little pricey, little to no ability to have your own identity outside your home. Force you to stay in line with the codes. So guys, I hope this has helped you in regards to law. Feel free to like, share, comment, post this video or any other of my content. Follow me on my social media platforms. That's Get Rice Now. That's GETRICENOW. Or my YouTube page, which you're watching it now, is Ronnie O. Rice. Just type it in and you will find me. I hope you guys have a great week. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.